Hey man, morning. Today we are in Pattaya Hill, and I'm going to be taking you guys on a long journey of about 1 hour. So let's see what people do early in the morning. Oh man, we'll see how people run, and let's go. Let's get this old man. He's having a fantastic time there, right? Okay. Wow, it's going to be a great day today. You can see what people are having a good time running. So we are still going. Wow, it's a fantastic journey. It's going down, right? Ooh. Actually like this. You know, it makes you feel healthy, stronger, and that else. Wow. Falling rock, one needs to be very careful here so it doesn't get down your head, you know. Ooh. Let's see how many he can do. Look at this cootie. Today is a good day. It's a good day. Look at what these folks are up to here, right? Oh, this is impressive. I like that. Many of that can they do? Ooh. I guess I'm gonna be here one day to do that. It's amazing. Great stuff. It's a great stuff. That's a great stuff. That's a great stuff. It's a great stuff. Amazing. Wow, this is impressive. This is impressive. I've never seen anything like this before. Perfect. Perfect. Ooh. So we are still on the track, and as you can see, these guys are having an early morning fitness. Wow. Let's see what he has got. How many can you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, thanks bro. Look at that. That guy is really going for it. It's in about 55 of that, right? Yeah, okay. Wow, look at the elderlies, they are not left out. Wow. Everybody in this country is just trying to keep fit. Look at the older ones. These people here are over 80 years of age and they are still going stronger. That's impressive. I like that. Come on, take a look at the view. It's such a lovely place to be. And these guys are always here every morning. I've got a new friend. Look at my friend. Beautiful creature sleeping. Hello. Hello. Hello, my friend. What's going on here? I'm always so scared of these dogs in Thailand. There are so many. If you are not careful, something terrible might happen to you. Look at that. A whole lot of them. a whole lot of them, Thai dogs.